Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how I made my milky coffee using the Moka pot during my holidays. It's very simple and really this is all you need when you are in a hurry every morning, and all you need is just a kick of that strong coffee. Let's find out. So what I use is a 3-cup Moka pot here, and I fill my basket with ground coffee, and then I use this pot to measure how much water I need to put in. So I'm just going to fill this to just below the spout, or just about the level of the spout here. So this is the spout here, and I just fill it to that level, and then I pour the water into my boiler there. That's very little, right? And then I put my basket in there. This is going to be very strong because very little water, and I'm ready to put my Moka pot on my preheated hot plate there. And this process should not take any more than really 2 to 3 minutes. And whilst I am waiting for my coffee to come out of the pot, I will warm my milk using the microwave. So I'll just put this in the microwave. This is all real time, okay? Just wait for it to warm there, and then I watch my coffee here. And this is the cup that I'm going to use. It's just a small cup here, and this should be enough to give me the kick, okay? So this is now coming out here. I take it off the heat, reduce the heat of my hot plate. Beautiful there. Look at that, okay? And then I'm going to put it into my cup here. So I'm not using the full capacity of the boiler, just enough for me to enjoy my coffee. And then I'm going to get my hot milk here. So I use a milk frother just to foam it a little bit. Really, I'm not aiming to pour a latte art here. Okay. All I need really is to pour this into my cup here, okay? I just fill it to the top like that, and then I have my morning cup of coffee using the Moka pot. Let's find out how it tastes like. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Very simple, very easy, and it all took under about 5 minutes to make this drink. That is perfect for me. Give this a try at home and let me know how it goes for you. So that's my latte using my 3-cup Moka pot. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.